Hey everybody, Willie here with Castleberry Shutters, home of the finest plantation shutter that your dollar can buy. And one of the calls we get is my louvers won't stay where I put them. Let's say you set your louvers like this, full open, but when you turn loose of the tilt bar, they just droop down. They won't stay where you put them. Well, that just means it's loose. This shutter lives in the house where you do, so it's got to deal with heating and air conditioning. So it's a wood product. It can swell, it can shrink, does things both ways. Not anything wrong with that, just means you got to tighten them up. So when you put it where you want it and it does this, this is how you fix it. You're going to need the old trusty Phillips head screwdriver. You're going to take it, and if you'll look at the side of the panel, you'll see the tension screw hole. Let me show you something. Sometimes there'll be a little button in this hole. So if that hole's covered up, that's pretty simple. You're just going to pull the little plug out. Now you got access to the tension screw hole. One on the other side of the panel as well, if you can get to it. It's on this side. Take the Phillips head screwdriver, insert it into the tension screw hole. You'll fill the Phillips head seat into the screw, tighten it just a little bit, a little at a time, till you achieve the adjustment that you need to hold the louvers where you want. If you have trouble with that, you can give us a call. We can walk you through it. I'm Willie with Castleberry Shutters. Be sure and check us out at castleberryshutters.com, home of the finest plantation shutters that your dollar can buy. Thanks for watching. I'm Willie.